Calculate the specific weight, density and specific gravity of 2 liter of a liquid which weight that is 15 Newton. So what is given in this question? Volume that is equal to 2 liter, that is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. Weight that is given, that is 15 Newton. So you have to find out the value of a specific weight, density and specific gravity S. So we know that specific weight omega that is equal to mg by volume. So W, the weight that is 15 Newton, W by V. So W, which is given as 15 Newton, and volume that is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power minus 3. So from here you get the specific weight that will be 7500 Newton per meter cube. Okay, Newton per meter cube. So this will be one answer. Now if you want to calculate the density, so how to calculate this density? So we know that omega, so here, so this is number 1, this is number 2, and this is number 3. So for this is for number 1. For number 2, if you want to calculate the density, we know that omega that is equal to mg by v. So from here omega that is equal to m by v, that is rho into g. So if you want to calculate the density rho, that is equal to omega by g. So now omega, what is the value of omega? That is 7500 divided by gravitational acceleration 9.81. So if you want to calculate this value will be 764.53. The unit will be kg per meter cube. So this will be our second answer. For third answer, if you want to calculate the specific gravity, so specific gravity is, we know that the formula is density of fluid by density of standard fluid, that is water. So what is the density of fluid? That is 764.53, and density of water we know that 1000. So from here we get that is 0.76453. So the answer will be 0.7656453, and it have no unit. So this will be our third answer.